walk into a supermarket and everything is there. Fresh fruit, full shelves, stocked refrigerators. It feels normal, predictable, like it has always been that way. But here's the strange part. Thousands of people shop in that same store every single day. Products are constantly being taken, moved, replaced, and yet most of the time the shelves never go empty. Not because there's unlimited food, and not because workers are constantly watching every item. So how does a supermarket always seem full? Because behind what looks like a simple store, there's a hidden system constantly predicting, tracking, and moving products in real time. Most people assume supermarkets are restocked when things run out, that once a product is gone, someone notices and then more is ordered. It sounds logical, but that's not how it works. If supermarkets waited for shelves to go empty before restocking, they would constantly fail. Popular items would disappear for hours, sometimes days. Customers would leave without buying what they came for. And in a system where margins are tight and competition is high, that kind of failure is not acceptable. So instead of reacting to demand, supermarkets do something very different. They predict it. Every product in a supermarket is part of a larger system. From the moment it arrives, it's tracked, counted, and monitored. When you pick up an item and take it to checkout, that action is recorded instantly. The system knows exactly what was sold, when it was sold, and how often it sells. This creates a continuous flow of data, not just about what is happening now, but about patterns, trends, and behavior. Over time, the system learns how fast each product moves, which items sell more in the morning, which ones spike on weekends, and which ones are affected by weather, season, or even time of day. This data is the core of everything, because supermarkets don't guess what to restock. They calculate it. They use historical data combined with real-time sales to estimate future demand. Not hours later, not days later, but constantly. If a product starts selling faster than usual, the system detects it. If sales slow down, it adjusts. This allows supermarkets to maintain balance. Not too much inventory and not too little, because having too much stock creates waste, especially with fresh food, but having too little creates empty shelves, so the system is always trying to stay in the middle. Behind the scenes, inventory is tightly controlled. Every product has a minimum level, a point where the system decides it needs to be replenished. But this isn't based on a fixed number, it's dynamic. The system adjusts those levels based on demand. A product that sells quickly will have a higher threshold, while a slower product will have a lower one. This ensures that fast-moving items are restocked more frequently, while slower ones don't take up unnecessary space. Once inventory drops to a certain point, the system triggers an action. It doesn't wait for a human decision. It automatically generates an order. This order is sent to a distribution center where products are already stored and organized for rapid delivery. From there, shipments are prepared and sent to the store, often within hours or the next day. This is why shelves rarely go empty, because restocking starts before the problem even exists. Supermarkets don't rely on random deliveries. They depend on highly organized distribution centers. These are massive facilities where products from multiple suppliers are collected, sorted, and prepared for delivery to stores. Instead of each supplier sending products directly to each store, everything flows through these centers. This centralization makes the system faster and more efficient. Products are grouped, optimized, and shipped based on demand across multiple locations. From the distribution center, products move through a constant delivery network. Trucks are scheduled, routes are optimized, and timing is carefully planned. Deliveries don't happen randomly. They follow precise schedules based on store needs. Some products arrive daily, while others arrive multiple times a week. Fresh items like fruits and vegetables move even faster because timing is critical. Once products arrive at the store, the system continues. Workers don't randomly restock shelves. They follow data-driven priorities. High-demand items are restocked first, and shelves are monitored throughout the day. Backrooms act as temporary storage, allowing quick access to products when needed. This creates a constant cycle. Products move from truck to storage, from storage to shelf, and from shelf to customer, over and over again. But the system isn't perfect. There are moments when shelves do go empty. Unexpected demand spikes, supply chain disruptions, and weather events can all break the balance. We've seen it happen. During crises, panic buying can overwhelm even the most advanced systems. And when that happens, the illusion breaks. Shelves go empty and the system struggles to catch up. Because what happens in one store is connected to something much bigger, a global supply chain. Products don't just appear in supermarkets. They come from farms, factories, and suppliers across the world. Each step is connected. A delay in one part of the system can affect everything else, which means supermarkets are not just managing shelves. They're managing a global flow of goods. So the reason supermarkets never run out of food isn't luck. It's not constant restocking. And it's definitely not simple. It's a system built on data, prediction, and constant movement. Every product is tracked, every pattern is analyzed, and every decision is calculated before it happens. Because supermarkets don't wait for shelves to go empty. They prevent it before it ever happens. One of the biggest challenges in this system is fresh food. Unlike packaged products, fresh items don't last long. Fruits, vegetables, dairy, and meat all have limited shelf life. If too much is stocked, it goes to waste. If too little is stocked, shelves go empty. So the system has to be even more precise. Orders for fresh products are often smaller, more frequent, and more carefully calculated. Timing becomes critical, because freshness is just as important as availability. Not all products behave the same. Some items sell consistently every single day, others are unpredictable. A product might suddenly become popular because of a trend, a promotion, or even something as simple as the weather. For example, a hot day can dramatically increase the demand for cold drinks, ice cream, or fresh fruit. A holiday can completely change buying patterns overnight. This means supermarkets can't rely on static systems. They need flexibility. The system must constantly adapt, learning and adjusting to new patterns as they appear. Promotions add another layer of complexity. When a product goes on sale, demand can increase instantly, sometimes dramatically. The system has to anticipate this. Before a promotion even starts, inventory levels are adjusted. More products are ordered, more space is allocated, and deliveries are increased. Because once the promotion begins, it's already too late to react. Everything has to be ready in advance. Behind every product, there's a supplier, and those suppliers are part of the system too. Supermarkets don't operate in isolation. They coordinate with farms, manufacturers, and distributors to ensure a steady flow of goods. This coordination allows them to plan ahead. Suppliers know how much to produce, and supermarkets know what to expect. It's not random, it's synchronized. What you see on the shelves is only part of the story. Behind the scenes, backrooms act as mini distribution centers. Products are temporarily stored, organized, and prepared for quick restocking. This allows workers to refill shelves quickly without waiting for new deliveries. It's a buffer system, a layer that keeps everything running smoothly. Even the way products are placed inside the store is part of the system. High-demand items are positioned strategically to make restocking easier. Fast-moving products are placed where they can be quickly accessed and refilled. This reduces delays and keeps shelves looking full. The layout isn't random, it's designed to support the flow of products as much as the flow of customers. Modern supermarkets rely heavily on technology. Inventory systems, scanners, predictive software, and automated ordering all work together. Some systems can even detect patterns that humans wouldn't notice. They identify trends, predict demand shifts, and optimize decisions in real time. This reduces human error and increases efficiency. The system becomes smarter over time, but technology alone isn't enough. People are still essential to the system. Workers monitor shelves, handle products, and respond to unexpected situations. They act as the final layer of control. When something doesn't go as planned, humans step in to correct it. This combination of automation and human decision-making is what keeps the system stable. Even with all this planning, things don't always go perfectly. Deliveries can be delayed. Traffic, weather, mechanical issues, and supply disruptions can all affect the system. When that happens, adjustments are made. Stores may prioritize certain products, redistribute stock, or delay restocking. Flexibility becomes critical, because the system must continue functioning even when things go wrong. And this system doesn't operate at the level of a single store. It works across entire networks. Multiple stores are connected and managed together. If one location has excess inventory and another is running low, adjustments can be made. This creates balance across the entire system. It's not just about one store staying full, it's about the entire network working efficiently.